Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to shorten a URL. Now let's start it. Open the Google and type bit.ly.com. Scroll down and paste any link here you want to shorten. Now I open my own website to copy the link. I copy this link and paste it here. And click on shorten. This link has been shortened. Now we check it whether it is working or not. I copy it and paste in new tab. Done. There is another site. You can also shorten your URL on this tinyurl.com. Okay, I copy another URL and paste it here. Now click on make tiny URL. This is telling about the website from where I have copied this URL. Okay. I copy it and open in new tab. Done. Thank you for watching this tutorial.